you guys, so it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam bag is here. This is for the month of July, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this bag to try. So this month's card looks a little something like this. It says, we're planning the great escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape. And then on the inside, it says, good vibes landing. A great self-care routine is like a vacay, so prioritize what makes you feel amazing this summer. And there are 3 little kind of like good vibe self-care routine tips. We've got play dress up. Taking care of yourself doesn't always have to be practical. Playing with makeup is a fun way to de-stress, test your creative limits, and try a bold new look. Right now, we're all about glittery eyes with a nude lip. I can definitely attest to that. I love to just sit down and create something very avant-garde, crazy, and it's just kind of like my escape. Number 2, we've got unplug just for a bit. Set a screen time limit for those certain apps. Cough, cough, TikTok. We can't seem to quit and use the time to do something that brings you joy. And then number 3, try a meditative mani. The repetitive motions combined with gentle pressure of your nail tools can create a state of tranquility, helping you to stay present in the moment and relieve stress. Level up on your mani by swapping your go-to nude with a terracotta polish. So yeah, super cute little card this month. Love it. Let's jump into the products. This month's glam bag looks a little something like this. Super cute bag. It's like a little drawstring bag and it's got flowers and butterflies on it and it's super, super soft and silky. So opening up this month's bag, we have the Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. This is pH balance. It's pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and clarifying. Next, we have the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. This has 4% niacinamide in it. I have the blue, let me see what it's called exactly. The blue one. I can't seem to find it in all of my stuff, but it's just the original Power Grip Primer. And I guess the difference in between this one and the blue one is that this one has the niacinamide in it. But yes, these Power Grip Primers really get tacky and sticky and make that makeup grip to your skin. Next in this month's glam bag, we've got the Lottie London 4-piece eyeshadow palette. And this is in the shade Rose Golds. And they look a little something like this. I do have this on my eyes today. Personally, I was hoping we could get a little something more colorful for summertime in this month's glam bag, but this is a beautiful little palette nonetheless, and I'm really liking today's look. And then to apply those eyeshadows, we have this Toy Factory little blender brush, and this wand is so, so beautiful. Last but not least, in this month's glam bag, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Liquid Kohl Water Resistant Liquid Liner. I just went and washed my hands, you guys, and that liner stayed on right there. So it is definitely waterproof. I love the water resistant liquid liners just because I am in a band and we sweat when we're on stage. So I know my makeup is going to stay put all night long. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. Another thing that was included with the glam bag this month is this other little bag. And inside we have the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. I actually already have a Refreshments razor and I absolutely love it. I used it all the way up until I ran out of the blades, and then I meant to repurchase and I never did. This is kind of a razor subscription and the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream. So members will get 20 to 30% off plus free shipping. You get to schedule how many times a month you get your refills. And you can also skip and stop easily if you don't need a refill. You can also add or remove products from your subscription. So what is really cool about this razor subscription is the formulas are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, all of that good stuff. Everything is mindfully made. So that means that every product is made with 30% post-consumer recycled materials to help reduce the impact on the planet. So this one is in the shade Neon Fizz, and it is a pretty like lavender color. I have kind of a coral pink color at the moment, but yeah, that one is super cute. I have not tried the Pillowy Shave Cream yet. This is in the scent Citrus Spritz. I'm super excited to try this razor with this shave cream. Ipsy is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you may not have known about before. I know that I have learned about so many new brands that I never knew about through Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and have repurchased those products, and now they've become staples in my routine. Let me know down below what product was your favorite and which one you hope to get inside your glam bag. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.